A Texas jury began hearing testimony on Tuesday in a civil trial against conspiracy theorist Alex Jones. The trial is over comments he made on his news platform, Infowars.com, about the victims of the 2012 mass shooting at Sandy Hook Elementary School. The lives of 20 children and 7 adults were taken that day, but Jones repeatedly called the casualty event a hoax. According to a report from the Associated Press, lawyers for the parents of the victims are expected to ask for more than $100 million in compensatory and punitive damages. Although Jones attempted to seek bankruptcy protections to protect his assets, a federal judge dismissed his petition in June. The Associated Press reported at the time the judge's action allows the parents' defamation lawsuits against Jones to continue in Texas and Connecticut, where trials are pending on how much he should pay families after judges in both states found Jones and his companies liable for damages. Jones's attorneys have recently claimed he is suffering from a medical condition, and it was uncertain if he would be attending the trial. However, during a short break, he emerged from the courtroom wearing a duct tape mask that read, "Save the Second," and after removing it, he spoke to the press for over 6 minutes until returning to court with his attorneys. Let's take a look.
Statement about today's trial?
Yes, ma'am. The statement is this. The judge is doing this for political reasons. Everything is hidden in plain view. I've been found guilty by the judge, and now there's a trial where they tell a jury to decide how much money I pay because I'm already guilty. That's never happened. We gave them all the discovery. That was donated, yeah, and it's all been spent.
Money.
And it's all been spent.
That you got.
And it's all been spent, and it's all gone fighting this.
Why didn't you show up to earlier hearings? Why didn't you show up to the earlier hearings?
I'll come back and talk to you guys later. Why didn't Heslin show up to earlier hearings? I mean, I'm working on the air every day. I'm trying to run an operation. We're not allowed to tell the jury.
Is that more important than
We're not allowed to tell the jury that Infowars is bankrupt, and we're putting federal filings in showing we have no money to prove that.
Do you plan to be here the rest of the trial?
We got business here.
I mean, ladies and gentlemen, listen, if you want to be bamboozled and lose your First Amendment and lose your Seventh Amendment and lose all that, go ahead. You're having your rights to a trial by jury to decide if you're guilty or innocent stolen from you. This is a kangaroo court. This is a political action. It's a witch hunt. I'll be back later.
One of the attorneys representing the families in Texas also spoke with the press Tuesday, stating, "We're very glad the day is finally here. We're looking forward to telling our client's story." The Texas trial is expected to last 2 weeks. Jones is also facing a separate defamation case for the families of the 2012 massacre in Newtown, Connecticut, in which damages have yet to be awarded. However, no amount of money can take back the slanderous conspiracy theories Jones propelled following the massacres. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching Raw Story TV. Please be sure to visit us at rawstory.com, stay informed, and tap below to take action by liking, subscribing, and joining all those who like their news raw.